till we control the problem of rising sludge, the flow has to be reduced. So these are the some of the solutions it is mentioned in the page 39. So now the second issue is, we know that it is sludge bulking. So sludge bulking is nothing but sludge bulking. So in the case of sludge bulking, in the aerator we know that the biomass is usually suspended or always suspended in the aeration tank due to the continuous aeration we are providing, is it? So here when the sludge is of poor settling characteristics, we call the sludge as the bulking sludge. This is because of the presence of filamentous bacteria. When we examine the biomass, we can see that the biomass containing the organic particles, the microorganisms, the decayed microorganisms, etc., etc. When we analyze, we can see that there are the formation of filamentous bacteria, or it is fungus. So filamentous bacteria or fungus is developed in that aerator, and this is because of the carbohydrates, the presence of excess solids or carbohydrates which enter into the waste stream from some food processing zones or from some industrial zones, and due to that presence of carbohydrates and excess solids, the filamentous bacteria or filamentous fungi is forming, and these filamentous fungi causes the sludge to get more volume instead of mass. So they will try to bulge or bulk, and it try to lift up to the aeration tank. So this biomass is trying to lift up to the aeration tank, top of the aeration tank, and this when it come to the top of the aeration tank, we know the aeration tank is it is only the aeration tank, it is an open tank. See, it is an open tank. So then when it comes to the top, it exits the aerator. That means the microbial mass or the active microorganisms will leave the aerator without utilizing or without oxidizing the organic particles. So that is the problem of the sludge bulking. Now how can we control the sludge bulking, or what are the sludge bulking can be controlled by reducing the sewage flow. As in the other case, we can control the flow, then reduce the suspended solids in the mixed liquor. How can we control the suspended solids? By controlling the recirculation factor or the recirculating of the sludge from the secondary sedimentation, or recirculating the active microorganism. Reduce that ratio, then we can continue the prolonged aeration in the return sludge. That means you can store the sludge in one another storage tank. There you continuously aerate the sludge